Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add borders to documents. First, open your document and click on the Design tab at the top of your screen. Next, locate the Page Borders button, usually found on the far right within the Page Background section. This action will open a new dialog box where all the border customization options are readily available for you to explore. You are just a few clicks away from a beautifully framed document. Within the Borders and Shading dialog box, you will find many style choices. You can select a simple line, perhaps a solid or dashed one, or even a double line for a classic look. For a more decorative touch, explore the Art drop-down menu, which offers various patterns like stars, trees, or hearts. Always check the preview pane to see how your selection looks on the page before finalizing. After choosing your style, adjust the border's appearance further. Use the Width drop-down menu to make your border thicker or thinner. Options typically range from 1/4 point up to 6 points. Next, select a color from the color palette to match your document's aesthetic perfectly. You can pick from standard hues or create custom ones, ensuring a cohesive design throughout. Now, decide where your border will appear. The Apply to drop-down menu offers several choices. You can apply the border to the entire document, which is perfect for unified designs. Alternatively, select this section First Page only for a distinctive cover page. Remember, you have control over the border's placement, ensuring it meets your precise design needs for every part.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.